Hey guys, so get ready because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a new way to get a Replika AI mod. So this will give you the premium membership. So as you can see, it says unlock all features with Replika Platinum, and it's $90 a year, but I'm going to do this activate with developer account for free option. So now I should get it for free. So let's see if it goes through. And there we go. As you can see, Replika Platinum activated. So now I have it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So it's really easy. Just type in this website. So let me just type it in. Okay, so now just type in Replika and then press on it. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, and then that will install the mod into your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So at the end, it's installing missing files. So I just got to download some of these. So we got like Family Island, which says reach level 11. And then we have DraftKings, which is install the app and open it, and then Mo Casino, install the app and open it. So yeah, super cool. So that's how to get the Replika AI mod. You can see it says welcome, so it's super wild. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if this video works for you guys. But yeah, super crazy. So try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super cool, and there's no jailbreak needed either. So you guys are gonna be all good to go. So I'm gonna see you in another one. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends. And yeah, this is super cool, guys. So get the word out and peace out.